Selamat datang di Minangkabau, sebuah ranah di bagian barat Sumatera. Di dalamnya, hiduplah berbagai suku yang bersatu dalam adat dan budaya yang bersandi syarat bersandi Kitabullah yang menjadi penjaga warisan leluhurnya.
Hello everyone, my name is Dedi Saputra, which you can call me Dedi. I'm student majoring in occupational safety and health.
Sawahlunto. I don't care fit from cold and history. The planet it is chemicals, list and network of tunnels. Rich in black gold but dangerous in nature. Inside, the air is thick. The smell of sulfur mixes with damp earth. It is silent, yet heavy with the weight of contrasts all around.
Today, I'm going to explain two types of text, descriptive text and procedural text. To make it clear, while user get sample of cold mine's expression in Sawahlunto. Alright, let's go start it. I cold mine explosion is catastrophic, event usually triggered by the buildup of methane gas and flammable coal dust. In the depth tunnels of Sawahlunto, methane gas naturally escapes from the coal seams. If the mine's ventilation system fails, the cis gas accumulates in confined species. A single spark from faulty electrical equipment, meaning tolls of friction can ignite the methane. This initial gas explosion then shakes the tunnels, kicking up fine coal dust into the air, which acts as fuel for a second, much more devastating bolt.
The explosion generates extreme heat, a crashing so cave, and fills the tunnels with toxic gases like carbon monoxide, trapping and suffocating miners inside.
Next, we move on to the first aid stage. If an explosion occurs in a mine, we start with pre-K to the nearest emergency refuge chamber or exit safe. Emergency evacuation step. Number 1. Wear safe research. Number 2. Stay low and follow grids. Number 3. Body system. Number 4. Move to refuge chamber.